Well, hello. So we've already decided that this is probably getting cut out. That bad boy right there. Hold on. Let me zoom out. That bad boy's probably gonna get cut out. And I'm gonna take a piece of metal going up like this. Cut this whole frame out, right? Weld it to here. And then cut it right here. And then have another one go across and down. So that's my idea with that, but we're gonna take this off. Bro, why is that bolt so long? Bro, that's like excessively long. Well, that's gonna disappear on the ground. Taking out those two bolts. I think there's supposed to be a third somewhere. No, never mind, there's not. Hold on, I gotta put this bad boy down. There we go. Woo! Let's bring you over here. Where is it? These are my headlights, or no, tail lights. The headlights are in the back of the truck. We're gonna put those right there. There's not really much I can do. So YouTube and TikTok both gave me ideas. No, it was YouTube Shorts of how to get this out. Is I take a drill bit and drill it out, because I don't know if this bed will ever go back on this truck. I don't know. And on all honesty, this is probably going to change, and I'm going to somehow mount all the body panels differently. Now that I'm actually getting a welding machine, which I've been saying this for a while, I can start doing modifications to the frame. So when we get that bed pulled off back there, and I get a few more things, we'll be able to start doing stuff. Oh, I remounted the fuse box, so it's not just like sitting there just getting jangled around. Yeah, so that's my short video. That's how you take the hood latch thing off the front of a Ford Ranger. Well, yeah, anyways, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, afternoon, or whatever it could be.